Have you been looking all over for an investment property? Look no further, but at 9519 87th Street in the heart of Strathearn. This property is situated 1 block away from the LRT station and across from the new Strathearn facility, which will have a little restaurant and some commercial space. The home has been completely renovated from top to bottom and is very close to the river valley as well. It has new siding, new hot water tank, 2 new furnaces, high efficiency windows including egress basement windows. The upstairs is bright and modern and comes complete with a new modern kitchen with quartz countertops and cabinets and upgraded stainless steel appliances. Continuing on, there are 3 bedrooms